revolutionizing website cloning and hosting. In today's fast-paced digital world, the ability to quickly replicate and customize websites can be a game changer. CloneBuddy AI, marketed as the world's first AI-powered website cloning tool, promises to deliver just that. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and explore what CloneBuddy AI has to offer. What is CloneBuddy AI? CloneBuddy AI is an innovative tool designed to clone, migrate, and host websites effortlessly. It uses proprietary AI technology to replicate entire websites, including their content, templates, and databases, in under 60 seconds. From e-commerce stores to blogs and high-converting landing pages, this tool aims to simplify website creation for everyone. Whether you're a digital marketer, a small business owner, or a freelancer. Key features. 1. Effortless website cloning. CloneBuddy AI allows users to clone any website by simply entering its URL. It replicates all elements of the site, including images, videos, and layouts, making it ready for customization. 2. Drag and drop editor. The tool's inbuilt editor lets you tweak cloned websites to suit your brand. You can modify text, add media, and adjust layouts, all without any coding skills. 3. Built-in hosting. Say goodbye to third-party hosting services. CloneBuddy AI provides blazing fast SSD hosting included in its package at no extra cost. 4. SEO and Performance Optimization. With AI-powered on-page SEO tools and image compression features, CloneBuddy AI ensures that your website ranks well on search engines and loads quickly. 5. 100+ templates. Choose from a library of high-converting templates tailored for various niches, helping you create professional websites in minutes. 6. AI content generation. Struggling with content creation? CloneBuddy AI's built-in content generator produces unique, SEO-friendly articles, blogs, and product descriptions. How does it work? The tool follows a simple 3-step process. 1. Copy and paste URL. Enter the URL of the website you want to clone. 2. Clone and customize. Let CloneBuddy AI replicate the site and then use the editor to align it with your branding. 3. Publish and profit. Host your website on their secure servers, drive traffic, and watch your online presence grow. Pros and cons. Pros, user-friendly, perfect for beginners with no technical knowledge. All-in-one solution, includes hosting, SEO tools, and content generation. Cost-effective, eliminates the need for multiple tools or hiring professionals. Fast results, build and deploy websites in minutes. Commercial license, allows you to monetize cloned websites or sell them to clients. Cons, ethical concerns. Cloning competitor websites might raise legal and ethical questions. Overpromised outcomes. Claims of instant profits and high earnings might not be realistic for all users. Scalability issues. May not be ideal for large-scale projects or high-traffic websites. Who should use CloneBuddy AI? CloneBuddy AI is ideal for freelancers, offering website development services to clients. Small businesses, creating or improving an online presence quickly. Marketers, testing high-converting layouts and funnels. Non-technical users, building professional websites without coding or design skills. Pricing. The tool is currently available for a one-time fee of $15, reduced from its stated price of $97 a month. This makes it an affordable option for users looking to experiment with website cloning and customization. Conclusion. CloneBuddy AI offers an impressive set of features for a fraction of the cost of traditional website building methods. It's a great tool for users seeking a quick, budget-friendly way to create or replicate websites. However, potential buyers should be cautious of its bold claims and ensure ethical usage when cloning competitor websites. If you're looking to save time, cut costs, and simplify your website development process, CloneBuddy AI could be a worthwhile investment.